Is Dr. Terry Zachary, and I'm the developer of the Teardrop Pillow. I'm in my kitchen today and I'm just going to show you how to go about assembling the Teardrop Pillow. If you follow this format, it is quite simple. If you don't, it can be a little tricky because the netting and the velour cover are form-fitting. First thing to remember is that the pillow, which is the Teardrop Pillow, you're going to be taking it out of the box and it's going to be wrapped in plastic. Open up that plastic and let the pillow expand. Give it some room to breathe. That'll take a couple of hours at the most. The next thing you do is you want to lay out the pillow. Remember that this pillow is memory foam. Okay, that's going to be great for your comfort, but also for the assembling portion. Meaning that you're going to be able to squeeze it and put it in a certain form and then let it expand into the covers. Here's the two covers. We have first of all the interior netting, and I'm going to lay that out. I'm going to see exactly where the teardrop point is, just like on this end, okay? And I'm going to lay it out so that the teardrop is facing away from me. And I'm doing the same with the velour cover, okay? So I'm just going to lay it like that. I'm going to start by rolling up, squeezing and rolling up the teardrop pillow, almost like I'm going to roll up a sleeping bag. Except I'm only going to go to half, then I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to roll the other half into it, okay? So what I'm going to have when I'm done is something that looks like that. Both halves are rolled into the center. The teardrop is facing away from me. If you look here, you can get a better idea. Okay, so I'm just going to take that. I'm going to take my netting. I'm going to place this in the center of the netting. Okay, and I'm just going to let one side of the netting roll out a bit and let it find going towards that end. Okay, just like so. Okay, now I'm going to let the other end roll out a bit and find its other end. Okay? Now I'm just going to take a second to adjust it and to bring the teardrop part of the pillow case of the netting into the teardrop pillow. So you'll just see lining those up, just like lining a regular pillow. So I've got that end. And now I'm going to take a second and adjust this. And you'll see when I do this, I can take the pillow and pretty much force it into where I want it to go. Because the pillow is always going to have that memory, it's always going to come back to that shape. Okay, so I'm just going to force it into the end and into that teardrop. Just like that. We're done that part. Now, I'm going to take the cover with the teardrop pillow in it. I'm going to do the same exercise. I'm going to roll it halfway. Okay, take it here, roll it the other half. Okay, and again, I come up with that thing, looks like two rolls of a sleeping bag. Now I'm going to put it right in the middle of the velour cover, and I'm just going to again let it open up and go to its sides. Okay. Now the only thing left is to zip it up, and that's ready for use.